On this sheet, we're going to write some if functions. The first if function that we're going to write is to say yes or no, is the order closed or open. And so we're just checking to see if the received number equals the ordered number and the invoice is paid. That means the order's closed. So we're going to write an if, and because we have two criteria, we have to use an and function as our logical test. In fact, let's just write the and function by itself first, and then we'll nest it inside the if. So the and function can be written on its own, and so the first logical test inside this and function is to see if the received value equals the ordered value. The second logical test is to see if this equals a yes. If both of those are true, we should get a true. If both of them are false, we should get, or if both of those are true, we'll get a true. If either one of them is false, we'll get a false. So in this case, it's false because we didn't receive all 25 that we ordered. So now I can cut that and function and put it inside my if. So the and function serves as the logical test for the if. So I just paste that back in, and then if my value is true, I want it to say yes. If my value is false, I want it to say no. And then I can just copy that down, and I get, is the order closed? No, yes, no, yes. On this one, we're just going to write an or function. So is the order open? So or function, an or function will return a true if any one of the logical tests is true. So in this function, we just write a logical test that says is, let's see, the value in the ordered column not equal. So we use the not equal sign. So if ordered is not equal to receive, or if the value in this column, E2, equals no. So it's almost the opposite of what we just wrote. So if ordered and received are not equal, or if invoice paid is no, we get a true or false. And we're just going to leave this one at true or false. We could paste that one inside an if and make it say yes or no if we wish, but we'll just leave it there. On this sheet, we have a list of student IDs and last names and their grades, and we need to assign a letter grade. We have this table already written. And you can write this by naming the table, or you can just highlight this array. I'm going to name this table grade, and that way when I write this VLOOKUP, I don't have to worry about absolute references. So now I can just write the VLOOKUP function, and my lookup value is the student's grade, so C2. Oops, clicked in the wrong spot there. So C2, the student's grade, and then we're going to look in the grade named range. And what column do we want to return? Well, it always looks, the VLOOKUP always looks in the leftmost column, and we want to return column 2. And we need an approximate match. So true is the default value. You can leave that blank, or you can put the true. And this shows a 91 gets us an A, and we can copy that down. No need for absolute references because we've used a named range here, and we get the letter grade for each one of those.